Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll take you internationally to Colombo, Sri Lanka's Radisson Hotel. It is on Marine Drive of Sri Lanka. Now on the left hand side, this is this bathroom which is exactly same as Candy's Radisson bathroom or the room. So the hair dryer is not there, which you can always ask. This is a shower area, and inside the bathroom there is this almirah wherein you can keep your stuff. You have this locker also. This is a shoe shine spawn. This is laundry bag. This I don't know if it is storage or not or what, and what use does it come off. And this is again some drawers to keep your stuff. There are hangers there, and there is also a space above wherein again you can keep your stuff. And as you come out, this is on the wall of the washroom. This is the mini bar, the standard tea and coffee station, and on the right hand side it is this mirror. So right hand side of the entrance, this is this full mirror. And now we come on to the main room. So this is the main room. This is the table, the chair where you can do sit and whatever you want. This is the TV. It is mounted on the wall, which you can pull. This is the couch and the footrest. This is the beautiful bed, and the sofa kind of, I don't know what it is known, which is in front of the bed. This is lamp mounted on the wall. This is reading light, and the room decoration is beautiful. And this is the gorgeous view from the room. It is the Indian Ocean in its full glory, and you can see the train tracks, and these tracks are actually functional. Train also passes from here, and there is one railway station also nearby. So you can see the three colors, muddy color, brown, green and blue. Blue is at very far. So yes friends, this is it for today. I'll also show you the wallpaper. As I told you, the interiors are very good here. The wallpaper feels like a cement, but is actually probably is a paper only. So yes friend, that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.